Olga said go.
No, stay, but start.
This is a segment that we finally call Coffee Talk.
Yeah.
And it started, I think, here in
Happens
Portugal.
after you get coffee, after you
Yeah,
wake
we
up and
reach
brush your teeth.
for
Yeah.
the coffee.
Yeah.
And Olga talks.
We thought because, once in a while a good update, is a good thing.
Well,
So,
if you remember, I used to have pictures of these silly pillows, little square pillows. One had a lady on it, one had a guy on it, and I used to have the pillows talking to each other.
I don't know, you're gonna have to show me. Like actual pillows or pillow covers? What? Really? You're gonna start this subject of nonsense?
I'll have to find it.
Yeah, please insert that.
And
Yeah.
I'd say, your pillow would say, Dee, what are you doing? And my pillow would say, oh, just thinking.
Oh, just thinking. Okay.
That did happen here in Kovala.
What are you doing, Dee?
Oh, just thinking.
Hi, we are Olga and Daniel.
Our pleasant journeys.
We backpack all over the world. It's an open-ended trip with many twists and turns.
Olga's the active one. I make movies and like coffee yoga. And these are
Our pleasant journeys.
yeah.
We have quite a
couple years
history
ago.
here in Kovala.
And then the joke was that we didn't do pillow talk, we did coffee talk.
I missed
and the
that whole
pillows
segment.
well, I
Completely.
just realized it was the pillows that were talking.
Okay. Who
There
knew?
you go.
Yeah. If I sit back, I kind of disappear, but oh well. See that? Yeah, we don't have a little table. Actually, we had a table here. It was very tall, and it just disturbed me. It felt like I was in a kitchen, and this is supposed to be happy. So we put it next to the fridge.
I
And-
did come up with something to talk about.
No wonder. No, not. Really? What? What?
Those of you who have been following us for a while know that our videos are sometimes ridiculous.
Yeah. Just
They are real life.
Harvey life, yeah.
It's a crazy authentic factor, but they are real life.
Spit it out. Come on.
We've got 4,000 watch hours, which is one of the criteria to get monetized on YouTube.
Is that measured from the very beginning that you start?
Yearly.
Per year. Well, that's kind of an important piece. I didn't know.
So I told you about this. I call Olga number 7 sometimes. It's my
That started in Bon Air. You
my
saw that I
missing
lived,
number, and she lived at house number 7.
and you immediately started calling me 7. I'm like, are you crazy?
Well, now I see 77, and of course at the casino 777.
Don't forget the 6-7 that just happened. Yeah, that whole thing. I think it's dying out now.
777's the jackpot. Okay. But yesterday I saw this thing, and it said the law of 77.
Oh.
And so I'm reading it, and they said it shows up, and the people who are good on YouTube, they make it to all the thresholds by their 77th video.
Well, so much for us.
We're at 1,036.
Oh, who cares?
But we're one away from 900 subscribers. And if you help us get to 1,000, that would be really fun.
You know, I so didn't have this in mind.
No.
Well, you're like, what?
It does wrap around to the subject.
Which is? I'm curious now.
Olga was doing handstands, and I started talking to her, and she said, get a hobby.
Oh, that.
And Olga's mom used
done
to
yet?
like
No.
pictures and videos, so I started making videos to send to Olga's mom.
Yeah. But she doesn't speak English very well, and she got tired of that we only speak English, because we're not doing this in Dutch. So that was the thing, and Mom's old, and she just said, just send me pictures. That is easier for me. So that's what I do. I send her pictures.
Meanwhile, we're in the holding pattern here in Kovalam,
It's
South India.
It's not a holding pattern. It's a happy time.
It's
we
been
are
very relaxed.
loving having a pool. It's especially since it's this hot. And
We're on the veranda overlooking the pool.
yeah, it's right there.
And I've been talking about going to hill stations, which
Oh,
are places with some altitude here in India that the British set up to
Okay,
get away
so
from the summer heat.
Daniel kept saying, it's so hot, I need to get to the cold air, I need to get to cooler. And he kept naming off all the hill stations that either we have been to and I didn't like, or I haven't been to, but I'm not about to travel 54 hours to get to any of them. I just don't like them much.
Hence the video,
So I
3
said,
hours
okay,
versus
if you
53 hours.
if you want cold, go to Europe. It's time for Europe. Let's just go then, because
booked-
it's way cooler over
We
there.
booked Europe
Yeah.
last night,
Yes.
and sometime in the coming weeks we'll make our way there and start that adventure.
We have to get there first. We are going through Abu Dhabi. That was a gamble on our part, and hoping for the best. Definitely hoping for the
Let's
best.
leave it open.
Yeah, I know.
Meanwhile, I got to try on one of my new shirts that
You
I
had
had
3
made
shirts
by a
made.
tailor.
Actually,
And,
it's nice.
Very
You did a
nice.
really good job.
Pockets like I like. And,
Color is awesome.
he
Good
did
color.
he did one, and he blended the pocket in so good it looks invisible.
Yes, he didn't do that, but in all the others, it was like nothing ever happened, you know. It's very nice. He's good. He's a good tailor. Yeah.
So I've got 3 new shirts that I can show in upcoming videos.
Oh dear.
Olga, meanwhile, is prancing around in her bathing suit.
I swim and run and do yoga at home because I haven't found a decent yoga here. And I go to the gym, which is a real gift for me. I love going to the gym, and I would, in an ideal circumstance, I would always have a gym nearby. You know, it adds something to your life. It makes you feel stronger, and something positive. So work out.
The travel fitness video is coming along. She's got 2 segments done. We filmed the 3rd segment, but I haven't put it together yet. It'll probably be another week before that comes out.
Yeah.
Valuable for anyone interested in
It's just
health and
keep moving.
staying happy.
Keep moving.
and-
Keep moving. Keep using what you have. You will feel better and you will be healthier. You know, especially when you start combining it with healthy food. So it's all common sense. You already know everything. Everybody knows it. It's about doing it. So that's the thing that is the issue.
This segment is like everything comes out in the wash.
What?
Eventually we'll get around to every subject.
Oh,
I washed a shirt yesterday, and Olga washed a new pair of pants.
oh yeah, that
And the
one.
pants were green.
Oh yeah.
And she said, careful, that may bleed green. Well, it didn't, it bled blue-green.
Okay.
And
You dyed?
yeah, I dyed my shirt.
Anyway, only you would do that. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See, all the adventures we have.
Yeah, it's nice and slow here, and Kovalam is very pleasant. So we're absolutely enjoying our days. Of course, when it gets too hot, you just have air conditioning, so you're fine. And I don't do as much as I would because it is hot. So I go to the pool more, and I definitely get something done in the early morning. So
We were out early yesterday. We went down
Oh,
to
yeah.
look at the India's newest port.
which is
And,
2.5 kilometers south from us.
It'll be
Yeah.
a few days before we have that put together.
Yeah.
But it was an interesting trip. We saw a local fishing village. And
Yeah.
on the way back, we stopped at the fancy restaurant that we
Oh,
rarely
yeah.
stop at.
Yeah.
And both of
Yeah,
us
'cause it's
had a
uphill.
big plate of food,
Yeah.
and it was only $2 for both of us. So
I paid 65 rupees for idli
Yeah.
sambar,
that's
which
70 cents, 60
that's
cents.
unbelievable. Not another stupid story.
We've looked at this wall every day we've come in here, and today we actually started fighting about what it was. I said it was bamboo slats tied, and Olga said, no, it's rope
Yeah.
and bamboo. But she's saying that the poles were bamboo, they're metal, and this is not bamboo. This is twine that's been turned into a rope, and they just went from one end to the other, around and around and around. And then they have some flowers here.
Those are plastic.
This one's
But the
fake
plants-
on this side, but on this side, it's a real plant growing up out of pots, and the flowers are coming. And then they have these hanging plants above. So they have produced a barrier that is a wall for privacy purposes. Still allows light and airflow, and
natural materials that are
Mhm.
pleasant to look at.
they might have even made the rope, you know, from coconut husks.
I
You
have seen
don't
it
know.
for sale in Goa.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't cost that much.
Uh-huh.
You can get it by,
Yep. So this is the ingenuity of the people.
It's creativity.
And this is our morning restaurant stop. We're starting to work on this one. See it in a couple weeks.